Hello and welcome to Shastra. Let's start here with this IR problem, and this is a multi-source reasoning. You can see that there are three tabs, and fundamentally this is the description of the entire project over here. This is a Technisoft which is fundamentally into software, and there are different projects that it can take up. So fundamentally we are first describing the different projects that happen in this company. There is also some information on the labor, that how the different people are employed in each project, and fundamentally then we are also given the pricing information. So based on that, we need to find what will be the cost of a project that involves 3 months of development, 3 months of software testing, and 6 months of maintenance. So with this, we can understand that there are two things that are required here. One is the per man rate over here, because there are project managers, lead engineers, software developer, and testing engineers. And in each of the projects, we have different number of people who are required to conduct the project. For example, software development project requires one project manager, two lead engineers, four developers, and two testing engineers. So there are we need to correlate these two data one by one. So what we should therefore do is form a table for this values for each of the people types of employees who are required for each of the project, and sum up what is the per month rate for developing for having a software development, and so on and so forth. So therefore, you have these values of 12,000, 8,000, 6,000, and 5,000 for the manager, for the lead engineer, for the developer, and the testing engineer. So what you can do is now 12, 8, 6, and 5 being the numbers, now you can sort of form a table for this over here. And how we will do that is that first of all, we'll start with the software development. So with the development project, I'm going to calculate per month rate. So the project manager is there, the lead engineer is there, the software developer is there, and the testing engineer is there. From here, we are given that one manager, two lead engineers, four software developers, and again two testing engineers. Remember that the man rates were 12,000, 8,000. I'm just writing in terms of thousands. So 12,000, 8,000, 6,000, and 5,000. Now what I need to do is 12 into 1 plus 8 into 2 plus 6 into 4 plus 5 into 2. That calculation comes out to be 62,000. Similarly, for a now for the software testing. So software testing, we have from here, we need one manager, one project manager, one lead engineer, one developer, but two testing engineers. So therefore, again, doing this summation 12 into 1, 8 into 1, 6 into 1, 5 into 2, you get the value of 36,000. Finally, for the software maintenance now, so for maintenance, again, we have this information. All of them are 1. So simply sum up these values and you get 31,000. So finally, the required value is 3 months of development, 3 months of testing, and 6 months of maintenance. So final calculation is 3 into 62,000 plus 3 into from here 36,000 and 6 into 31,000. This finally gives you the value of 480,000. So that's your correct answer. So mathematically, it's a routine problem, but what you saw here was how you needed to correlate the data given across two tabs, and that is the sort of typical uh, characteristic of all problems in multi-source reasoning of your higher section. So that's was the approach here. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.